Today Ariana's making cookies!
Woo!
And I'm gonna sit and watch and act like I'm helping.
Put this butter in the microwave for 30 seconds.
No, you have to get closer.
This butter in the microwave.
Put the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Yes. So fun story. One time I was making cookies at Carson's house.
You have to get up closer. So far away.
One time I was making cookies at my friend's house. And she had bigger...
No, not 3, no. 3 hours?
30 seconds, not 3 minutes.
Ariana's blown up 2 of our microwaves.
Anyways.
Talk loud!
And she had larger sticks of butter than we have, but I still put 2 in. So I accidentally put like 4 times the amount of butter. And they turned out like pancakes.
We already have our sugar in a bowl. I did this. I mixed the sugar up in the bowl. We got the brown sugar and the white sugar. Then, ew. Then your butter should be a soup.
We show it.
Soup. Oh,
And you just...
scrape the plate.
You gotta get all the butter.
You're not showing the how you scrape the plate. Oh. Also, my camera's charging, so you're just gonna have to sit here while we make these, because I can't move you around. And then you have don't dip your hair in it, and then it looks like that. If your stuff doesn't look exactly like this, we've already messed it up.
We're showing them how to?
I don't know.
Oh. And now you gotta stir it up.
Stir it up.
No, you gotta stir it up.
You just do this for about 30 minutes, as fast as you can.
Put it on there, but make sure you lock it.
And then you should be ready.
Try again. No. Put it on the...
And it looks like that.
Oh wait, it's not plugged in.
You should plug in your blender to use it.
Wait, that's on
Oh no, my camera's gonna die!
And you get it off the beater.
Wait. Look, it's
We gotta put your
traveling
hand
to
behind
you.
it, so it like...
You take your stick. Why do I have to do this?
So I like taking the bowl out from underneath the mixer. Just makes it easier. And I don't want it to like...
So this feels like a lot of work. I'm in my pajamas already because it's 6 o'clock.
Can I have the butter plate?
Actually, is it? It's 8
Can
o'clock.
I have the butter plate?
Your docking station
Butter plate?
says 6 o'clock.
Butter plate.
No, I don't want to lick that egg. Why are you doing that? You have to put your eggs on a plate?
Can you hold these? What?
It's not gonna be my mess to clean up.
Alright.
Ew, I'm not touching these eggs. Then you just put 2 eggs in.
Ew. No, they're not washed. You just put those in the...
Oh, stop. They wash them before they package them. Otherwise they'd have chicken butt goop all over it.
That's fair.
Do I put them in now?
Crack them. Oh, that's why you have the plate. So.
Crack the eggs. Crack the eggs. I'm really good at this.
Are you?
I don't know.
No.
Baking used to be my thing, but then Andrew decided that he wanted it to be his thing, so now he bakes more than me.
Should I turn the music off?
But he makes better, maybe, so I don't get copyrighted. But he makes better cookies than I do, so it can be his thing. Then your stuff should look exactly like this.
You want to get vanilla out of the cupboard above it? You want to get vanilla out of the cupboard?
I'm trying to open these beans.
You're fired.
I can't open it.
You get them?
It's opening up the wrong way. Purple one. I like the blue one though. Those are good. Those are good.
I'm glad.
Looks like this now.
I put water in my cookies.
Is that allowed?
Most people think it's weird. 1/4 teaspoon. No, 1 teaspoon. Archie, you gotta mix it. Archie.
What?
Can you just sit down? I'm so glad you're helping me.
I am helping. I'm supervising. You're doing a great job.
Not even clapping for me. That was like pathetic clap. You clap like a...
Yay! Oh yeah, no, yay! Is that not good enough? Woo! How about that?
No, let me touch you. Do you want to get chocolate chips?
No. Oh, yeah, actually, I will get the chocolate chips because then I can eat them.
What?
Nothing. Ew, please don't do that.
I'm gonna wash my hands one more time. You feel your teeth?
Yeah, do you want to be in it, Mom?
No, that's fine. Dude, what did you blow on?
Nothing.
Did you get spit in my cookies?
No, why would I spit in the cookies? Then, mini chocolate chips. Just to add some pizzazz. Whoa,
So
fun!
much chocolate. How much chocolate?
Yay!
There's just so much chocolate.
Why do you keep saying that like it's a bad, a bad thing? Oh, oh no. Okay, now we taste test. Where's my thing?
You're what?
Okay.
No, you just licked that finger. Get out. Go away. That's disgusting. You have 5 tries to make it right.
10 actually, because you wanted to.
That's disgusting.
Jazz hands. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Did it turn out?
They're a little bit brown because we waited for the camera. But
Yay!
it's all in the. You gotta go.
Oh, you gotta scrape before you even get to the cookie, huh?
Yes, it's called pre-gaming.
Oh.
Yep.
I want this one!
You want it now?
Alright, should I have it in my hand now?
Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, I gotta bring mom one too.
Ta-da! Look at it. Wait. Focus. Focus on it. Ta-da! Good thing I put a lot of chocolate chips in here. I feel like I'm gonna burn my mouth on this. Hey!
They've been out of the oven for a whole like 2 minutes.
Are
Are they good?
I can't use my taste buds yet. I'm scared to burn them.
You can't use your taste buds?
Yeah.
Have them like retracted like cat claws?
I have to eat them with my mouth open. Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm so surprised.
It's because I put chocolate chips in it. A lot of chocolate chips. Oh, very good.
Thanks.
Ooh, they're warm.
It's a warm cookie, Ariana.
Ah! So great.
What is
Warm
cookie? What am I supposed to mean?
You know the warm cookie place in Lincoln? They
Big money cookies.
They deliver cookies.
Yeah.
And so I did that for Matthew's birthday since I wasn't here on it. So I'm like,
Aww.
solidify it.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to, maybe subscribe. You don't have to though. But, I mean, maybe.
Whoever unsubscribed, please come back.
Whoever unsubscribed, Linda, please come back. We miss you, okay? We know it was you. Just come back. It's alright. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Okay? Okay. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.